Tobacco is an important commercial crop that is used for the production of cigarettes, cigars, and other tobacco products. However, the production of tobacco involves a range of biological processes that can have significant impacts on both the environment and human health. In this passage, we will explore the biological processes involved in tobacco production, as well as their impacts on human health. Biological processes in tobacco production. Tobacco production involves several biological processes, including seed germination, plant growth and development, harvesting, curing, and processing. Each of these processes can have significant impacts on the quality and safety of tobacco products, as well as the environment and human health. Seed germination. Tobacco seeds are usually germinated in trays or flats and then transplanted to the field once they reach a certain size. The use of pesticides and fertilizers during this stage can help to control pests and improve plant growth, but can also have negative impacts on the environment and human health. Plant growth and development. Tobacco plants require a warm and moist climate to grow and produce high-quality leaves. The use of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides during this stage can help to improve plant growth and prevent the spread of diseases, but can also have negative impacts on the environment and human health. Harvesting. Tobacco leaves are typically harvested by hand or machine and then sorted and graded based on their size, texture, and color. The use of mechanical harvesting can improve efficiency and reduce labor costs, but can also damage the leaves and reduce the quality of the final product. Curing. Tobacco leaves are typically cured in specialized facilities or barns, where they are dried and fermented to improve their flavor and aroma. The use of wood fires and other sources of heat during this stage can help to speed up the drying process, but can also result in the release of harmful pollutants into the air. Processing. Once the leaves have been cured, they are typically processed and blended to create different types of tobacco products, such as cigarettes, cigars, and pipe tobacco. The use of additives and flavorings during this stage can help to improve the taste and aroma of the final product, but can also have negative impacts on human health. Impact on human health. The biological processes involved in tobacco production can have significant impacts on human health, both for workers in the tobacco industry and for consumers of tobacco products. Worker health. Workers in the tobacco industry are often exposed to a range of hazards, including exposure to pesticides, fertilizers, and other chemicals, as well as ergonomic hazards such as repetitive motion and heavy lifting. This can lead to a range of health problems, including respiratory problems, skin irritation, and musculoskeletal disorders. Consumer health. Tobacco products are known to be highly addictive and can have significant impacts on human health. Cigarette smoking is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide, and is associated with a range of health problems, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. Smokeless tobacco products, such as chewing tobacco and snuff, are also associated with increased risks of oral and other cancers. Environmental impacts. The biological processes involved in tobacco production can also have significant impacts on the environment, including soil degradation, water pollution, and deforestation. Tobacco production often involves the use of pesticides and fertilizers, which can contaminate soil and water resources and harm wildlife and aquatic ecosystems. The use of wood fires and other sources of heat during the curing process can also contribute to deforestation and air pollution. To address these issues, there is a need for increased awareness and action to promote sustainable and responsible practices in tobacco production and consumption. This can include the development and implementation of regulations and standards to promote the use of safer and more environmentally friendly chemicals and processes, as well as the promotion of